Octopuses are some of the strangest animals in the ocean, and this longer deep dive explains why. They can solve problems, disappear in plain sight, and squeeze into spaces that seem impossible. By the end of this video, 10 bizarre octopus facts will feel a lot less like science fiction. First, an octopus has 3 hearts. 2 hearts send blood through the gills, while the third pumps it through the rest of the body. When an octopus swims, the main heart can briefly stop, which is one reason swimming costs so much energy. Second, octopus blood is blue. That color comes from hemocyanin, a copper-rich protein that carries oxygen in cold, low-oxygen water. It is one more reminder that octopuses are built for a very different world than we are. Third, octopuses are camouflage masters. Special skin cells let them shift color in a flash, from pale sand tones to dark rocky patterns. Some species can even change texture, turning smooth skin into bumps that mimic coral or stone. Fourth, they have no bones. That means they can squeeze through gaps barely larger than their hard beak. If the beak fits, the rest of the body can often follow, which makes octopuses famous escape artists. Fifth, a huge part of an octopus nervous system lies in its arms. Each arm can process touch and movement with surprising independence. In a way, the animal is thinking with its whole body, not just with a central brain. Sixth, their suckers do more than hold on. The suckers can also taste what they touch, helping the octopus explore food, rocks, and hiding places. Imagine being able to feel and taste the world with your fingertips at the same time. Seventh, some octopuses use tools. An octopus has been seen carrying coconut shells and other objects across the seafloor. Later, it can assemble those pieces into a shelter, which is rare behavior for an invertebrate. Eighth, octopuses are smart enough to solve simple problems. In aquariums, some have opened jars, navigated mazes, and learned routines around feeding time. Their intelligence is not human-like, but it is flexible, curious, and surprisingly practical. Ninth, an octopus can defend itself with ink. The ink cloud can confuse a predator, hide the octopus, and sometimes interfere with the attacker's sense of smell. That buys a few crucial seconds to disappear into the background. 10th, most octopuses do not live very long. Even with all that intelligence, many species live only around 1 to 2 years. Females often die after guarding eggs, which makes their life cycle as dramatic as the animals themselves. That short lifespan makes their problem-solving abilities even more amazing. Some species can regenerate damaged arms, slowly rebuilding tissue after injury. Octopuses also have unusual horizontal pupils that help them manage light underwater. Most octopuses are solitary and spend much of their lives hiding, hunting, and defending a personal den. Scientists have even observed sleep-like states with shifting colors and twitching arms, hinting at remarkably complex brains. Their behavior is so flexible that 2 octopuses in the same habitat can solve problems in different ways. The more researchers studied them, the more octopuses seem like a completely separate experiment in intelligence. The more scientists study octopuses, the clearer it becomes that they are unlike almost anything else in the sea. That is why octopuses keep showing up in documentaries, laboratories, and the imagination of anyone who loves strange life on Earth.